Army, Band Advisor Coordinator, Von Ryan Berha, Major Trainer, Dr. Emily Berha. Entry number 49, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Elmer S. Baltimore. Thank you. Entry number 49, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Next entry, entry number 50, University of Northeastern Philippines, San Roque, Iriga City. President, Attorney Remelisa G. Alfilor Moraleda. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Clarence Samuela. Color Guard Instructor, Homer Q. Villarreal. Entry number 50, University of Northeastern Philippines, San Roque, Iriga City. Thank you. Entry number 50, University of Northeastern Philippines, San Roque, Iriga City.
Next entry, entry number 51, Pili Capital College Incorporated, Pili Camarines Sur. Principal, Ruth Militon. Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Pio Timbangan Jr. Corps XO, Cadet Major Vince Almirante. Corps S1, Cadet Major Jose Lizardo. Corps Cadet Major Ronaldin Talisig. ROTC Facilitator Commandant Julius Obenita Bajado. Band Advisor Coordinator Michael Nunez. Major Trainer Aldrin Del Rosario. Band Master Trainer CJ Dumayas. Assistant Commandant Second Lieutenant Fatima Rigoliano, Philippine Army. Entry number 51, Pili Capital College Incorporated, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 51, Pili Capital College Incorporated, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Next entry, entry number 52, Naga College Foundation Incorpoted, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. School Head, Dr. Mario Villanueva. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Luwalhati Nisi. Coordinator, Dr. Marilyn Balares. Band Advisor Coordinator, Dr. Nelma Olaso. Major X Trainer, Emma Credo. Band Master Trainer, Venrich Kenosis Hermojeno. Entry number 52, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City.
Cadet Major Bea M. Ramos, ROTC, Facilitator Commandant, Captain L. Jessa Antoniet Ubias, OS, Philippine Army, Assistant Commandant, Captain Lalaine Maturis Tolentino, Reserve, Philippine Army, Band Advisor, Coordinator, Francis Q. Sige, Major Trainer, Janelle B. Sabularse, Band Master, Trainer, Aldrich M. Griego. Entry number 53, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Bato, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 53, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Bato, Camarines Sur.
Next entry, entry number 54, Bicol University, Main Campus, Rizal Street, Legazpi City. President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebles III. Majorette Leader, Angelica Brahms Bernaldez. Band Leader, Thank you very much. Entry number 54, Bicol University, Legazpi City.
And that was our last entry for the marching parade competition. We have a special participation for the military parade, the Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Baras Kanaaman Camarines Sur, ROTC Mixed Company, and Brass Winds Band. School Head, Dr. Marilisa Jimenez Ampuan, PhD, Corps Commander, Midshipman Commander, Ronald Ravanilla, Jr., S1 Midshipman Lieutenant Randy P. Cabral, Jr., S2 Midshipman Commander, Mark Neil Montero, S3 Midshipman Lieutenant Carl Daniel Ibo, S4 Midshipman Lieutenant Herman Paloma, Jr., S5 Midshipman Lieutenant Earl Lolor, Band Leader James Vincent Estrellis, Company Commander Midshipman Commander John Ray Kilong, Company EXO, Midshipwoman Lieutenant Commander Jezebel Guerrilla, First Platoon Leader Midshipman Commander Mario Remoriano, Second Platoon Leader Midshipwoman Lieutenant Mary Jane De La Cuadra, ROTC Facilitator Commander Aniceto Medalla III, Band Advisor, Coordinator Harold Hernandez, Band Master Trainer Adrian Avelin Arcilla, and Raymond Nino Asido. Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Baras Kanaaman Camarines Sur. And also we have the Majorette Leader, Ariana T. Valencia, Majorette's Trainer, Zeus Enrile Ariola. Thank you very much, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Baras Kanaaman Camarines Sur, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, with a special participation in this military parade competition. And that ends our military marching parade competition. Masunod na po. Alagad will pause for a 30-minute break before we start the drill exhibition. So mag-lunch na muna tabi. Magpangurod to, tanganing